Week 6 question number 13 asks us to calculate percentages for our survey here. We've surveyed 75 customers on contact lens solution, and we want to figure out awareness, which is the total percentage of those customers that have heard of our brand. And we also want to take a look at top of mind, which means that when we're asked for the first brand that comes to mind, what percentage of those surveyed mention each of the brands listed there. So let's start with the awareness column here. So you know that you can ask questions to determine awareness that are unaided and or aided. So unaided awareness questions would not mention the brand. So for example, if you asked a question like, which contact lens solutions have you heard of? And I say Wk6, Solo Care Aqua, Complete Multipurpose, then I would get a little notch in each of these boxes here. So I may be aware of more than one brand. An aided awareness question would sound like, have you ever heard of Bausch and Lomb Renew? If I say yes, then I get a little tick in this box here, etc., etc. So 75 people were asked questions to determine whether they were aware of these brands. 19 of those 75 indicated an awareness of Bausch and Lomb. That represents a 25.3% awareness. That's 19 divided by 75. Wk6 gets a 37.3% brand awareness, 28 people of the 75, and so on down the list. I'm just dividing my number of responses by the total number surveyed to get my awareness percentages here. Right? And notice that we're not tallying to 100% in the awareness column because, of course, of the 75 people, you can be aware of more than one brand. So you could have notches in many of the different brand categories there, brand names. On to top of mind. So top of mind determines whether we are indeed the first brand that's mentioned. So we're not asking you to list all of the brands that you're aware of. We're asking, when you think about contact lens solution, what's the brand that first comes to mind? So there can be only one answer. So this number of responses is going to tally to 75 because we're looking for one answer from everybody. 12 of the 75 people surveyed listed Bausch and Lomb as the one that comes to mind first when they think about contact lens solution. So again, I'm dividing these numbers by 75, and this time I am going to come to 100%. There's your top of mind percentages.